If you're looking for a really solid wheel cleaning brush, the Detail Factory's wheel brush is something to consider. As you know, having a variety of different brushes and tools for cleaning your wheels is always a good idea, as you're never sure what you're going to encounter, but I definitely think this is something that belongs in your wheel cleaning bucket. The first thing that we like about it is the build quality of it. The handle is really solid and reassuring along with the rest of the brush. And just like everything Detail Factory makes, it will definitely hold up to the stresses of the wheel cleaning chemicals and the actual washing itself. The second thing that we like about it is its interchangeable covers. So you can actually unclip these, remove them, and replace them. They're machine washable as well, so every now and again you can pop it off and throw it in the washing machine. Additionally, you can replace these with covers from other brushes. We like the one from Microfiber Madness, which we do have a video showing you exactly how to do that. Another thing to consider when picking up this brush is that it's a lot softer than something like the Easy Detail brush. Although it is definitely thicker and it's difficult to fit it in certain wheels, or basically impossible, it's a good idea if you have like gloss black wheels or something, or you're just worried about scratching, to pick one of these up, as it's a lot more delicate on the paint. I definitely think this is a brush you're going to want to pick up. As I mentioned before, having a lot of variety of wheel brushes is a good idea, and I think this is something that belongs in your wheel cleaning arsenal. You can get it in our store at obsessedgarage.com, and if you have any questions, let us know in the comments or reach out to support@obsessedgarage.com.